now.
I want to
Sorry.
ask Bhaijan one question.
Ji, bismillah.
You started off with rap. English rap?
Yes.
One minute. So, खत्म सर question बड़ा complicated है. English rap से मतलब be my lover. I'm just talking hypothetical.
Baby doll में सोने दी.
यानी कि doll, baby doll सोने दी. And mashallah, you've got a very religious background as well, और जैसे होता है. But you started off with that and then you shifted to this. I need to know the reason why and what is the difference between the shift. उसमें और इस रास्ते में what is the difference between the deen and the dunya? Please.
So the
Beautiful question, by
it's
the
a
way.
very strong question.
It's a very strong question.
Yeah, it's relevant.
Yeah, लंबा ही है, doesn't matter.
लंबा रास्ता होगा.
बेटे तू पावे पैदल आ दे ट्राली दे आ. Please answer it.
Okay, so basically, Shah Sahab, I wanted to reach out more to the youth. I wanted to reach out because I was a mentor as a job. I used to work as a mentor. So I needed
Where was this, sorry?
in Burnage High School.
Ah,
Oh, Burnage High School, local. Yeah.
So I needed to do something which was going to benefit the youth of the UK because they understood English.
yeah.
And the best way to get into the youth's mind, into a young person's mind who's growing up on the street, you know, facing
To
their
speak
own
their
difficult-
language.
To speak their language, I started rapping. Now, my rapping wasn't dunyavi rapping. It was still Islamic. The message was Islamic.
So there wasn't a big shift then.
It wasn't a big shift.
Sorry.
The shift was the language, Urdu to English. And actually the style of how you portray your message. But the message was the same. The message was the same.
Subhanallah.
In the rap, was still spreading the love of Allah and His Rasul.
Subhanallah.
Maybe it's subtle. Maybe it's through a dua. If you actually listen to some of the lyrics of my raps, you'll find them on YouTube. They're about 7-8 years ago.